This is Math 2, 4.6 notes. That's Unit 4, Lesson 6. The title is Inequalities in Triangles, and we're going to go angles ABC, and then opposite angle A is side A, opposite angle B is side B, and opposite angle C is side C, and I use lowercase for the sides. Alright, the theorem is if side B is bigger than side A, so if side B is bigger than side A, then angle B will always be bigger than angle A. And the converse is also true. So if an angle is bigger than another angle, then its corresponding side will also be bigger than the other corresponding side. All right, let's take a look at what that means. List the angles from smallest to largest. List the angles from smallest to largest. Number 1. Angle L, angle K, angle M. Opposite angle M is 2.7. Opposite angle L is 4.3. Opposite angle K is 5.8. Now notice I only give you the lengths of sides and no measures for the angles, but I'm asking you to list the angles from smallest to largest. So you find the smallest side. The smallest side is KL, 2.7. The angle opposite this side is angle M. Now, K and L are at the endpoints of 2.7, so it can't be KL. It's the angle that does not touch that side. Okay, the medium side is 4.3, touches K and M, so it can't be angle K or angle M. Opposite is angle L, and the largest is 5.8, and 5.8 touches L and M, so it can't be those angles. Opposite is angle K. The opposite angle is always the angle that does not touch the endpoints of that side. Okay, number 2. Triangle ABC, a box in this answer. Triangle ABC where AB equals 8, BC equals 5, and CA equals 7. Okay, so let's draw this triangle. A, B, C. Now it says that AB is 8, BC, that's this one here, is 5, and CA is 7. Okay, same thing. List from smallest to largest, so I look for my smallest side, that is the side here, the 5. It touches BC, so the opposite angle is angle A. My medium side is the 7, which touches the AC, which means its opposite angle is B. And my largest side is the AB side. The side 8 touches AB, so its opposite is angle C. Number 3, list the sides from smallest to longest. Okay. This is 60, this is 30, and I'm going to call this triangle TUV. Alright, so this time I'm listing the sides, not the angles, from smallest to largest. Now if you notice, I didn't give you any side measures, I only gave you angle measures. This one is 30 degrees. That's a 30, it looks kind of messy. This is the 30 degrees. That is 60 degrees. Now I didn't label this one with a number, but because of that marking we know it's 90. So in order, it's smallest 30, medium 60, largest 90. Okay, so Angle 30 is the smallest angle, which is angle V, so its opposite side does not include the V, it is TU. That's the smallest side. The medium angle is the 60, which is angle T, which means it's not going to include the T. It's going to be the UV as the medium. And the largest is 90, which is angle U. Not going to touch the U, it's the opposite side is the TV. Okay, moving along, we're going to go through another theorem. Inequalities in inequalities theorem. Inequality theorem. Side A, side B, side C. And the theorem states the sum of any two sides will always be bigger than the third. A plus B will be bigger than C. The sum of A and C, so A plus B is always bigger than the third side. A plus C will be bigger than B, and B plus C will always be bigger than A. The sum of any two sides will always be bigger than the third. So you'll get questions like this. Let's bubble this in first. You get questions like this on a test. Can a triangle have sides with the given lengths? Number one, 6 meters, 9 meters. And this is what you do. You just take two sides in order and add them together. I'm going to start with the first two. 2 plus 6 must be greater than the third. Is that true? 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 is not bigger than 9, so the answer is no. If the first one is no, you don't have to check the rest. If the first one is yes, you have to keep going to make sure they are all yes. Once you get a no, the answer is no. In order for it to be a yes, all three of the combinations have to be yes. Okay, next one, 4, 6, 9. So I'm going to add the first two. 4 plus 6 must be bigger than 9. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 is bigger than 9. It works. Now I'm going to try the last two. 6 plus 9 must be bigger than the third side, which is 4. 6 plus 9 is 15. That's bigger than 4. And again, I have to check them all in order for it to be yes. I've done 4 and 6, 6 and 9. Now I'm going to do 4 and 9. 4 plus 9 must be bigger than the third side, 6. 9 plus 4 is 13, which is bigger than 6. They're all yes, so the answer is yes. Number 3. Again, for the answer to be yes, they all have to work. 2, 5, 3. Okay, 2 plus 5 must be bigger than 3. 2 plus 5 is 7, bigger than 3. Check. I have to keep going. I cannot stop. 5 plus 3 must be bigger than 2. 5 plus 3 is 8, bigger than 2. And this is exact kind of work you need to show on your assignments, your quizzes, and test. Okay, the only combination I've not yet done is first and last. 2 plus 3 must be bigger than 5. 2 plus 3 is 5, and 5 is not greater than 5, so that is a no. Do you see that there's no equal bar? If it said greater than or equal to, it would work. But since there is no equal bar, it's not going to work. So that's a no, so the answer is no. If any one of them is no, the whole answer is no. As soon as you get a no, you can stop. For me in this one, the no happened at the end, so I had to go all the way through. Over here, the no was at the beginning, so I was able to stop right away. Number 4, the lengths of two sides of a triangle are given. Describe the possible lengths of the third side. 4, 7, blank. All right. Hit pause, try it on your own, see what kind of numbers you get in there, and then hit play and see what you've come up with. Okay, I'm assuming you may have gotten like a 4 or a 5 that works, and maybe a 3 that does not work. So here is how you're going to always write your answers from here on out. X is always in the middle. The inequalities will always open this way. On this side, you're going to subtract the numbers, and on this side, you're going to add the numbers, and that's it. 7 minus 4 is 3. 4 plus 7 is 11. That's the range of numbers that will work. So that means 3 would not, because it says greater than 3. So 4 would work, 5 would work. You see that's in the work section. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 would not work because it's less than 11. So numbers bigger than 3 and smaller than 11 are the only numbers that would work, and all the decimals in between. So 11, 12, 13, all of those numbers would not work, and you can test some of them and check. So that's what you do for these type of problems. I'm going to give you one to try on your own. 20, 35, this is number 5. 20, 35, find the third number. So again, X goes in the middle, and you fill it in. Same way we did up here, same way we did up there, and we'll check it together in class. That is it for this lesson.